our channel Family in Poland. Myself Sachin and this is Hindu. So today we are going to make a video in which we are asking one of our friend or you say neighbor to try the Indian snacks. And the video is also very different because my friend doesn't know English and I doesn't know Polish. So how we communicate and what he replies for the snacks, what he says about the snacks, let's see in the video. So today we are having our friend, he is our neighbor, and we are planning to make him taste some Indian snacks. So we have got this Lay's, and we have our bhujia. This is kurkure. This is our samosa. This is gulab jamun. This is little hard biscuit.
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
And this is Parle Ji. And this is Maska Chaska. So this is the plan. So we will start now. So first we will start with the samosa because his sister also liked samosa and we are going to start with this. And also see so beautiful Polish design plate because
my sister is from
from London. Oh, okay.
Oh, nice.
My sister has got this from London. It's so beautiful. And Polish, this cutlery is also very famous if you guys don't know. So if you get a chance, so you can buy that as well. So we will start with the samosa. Spicy?
Yes. No problem.
No problem, huh?
Please go.
So he liked the samosa.
Yay!
It's a very good thing for us. So because it has got many things, so yeah, he liked it. Yeah. So let's start with the other ones. Very good.
Well done.
So he liked it. It's very good. So now we will start with kurkure. So kurkure is very famous in India. India famous, very famous kurkure.
No, nie próbowałem.
No, never. So he has never eaten the kurkure. So let's see.
We are also seeing it from after many days.
Yeah.
No, super. Dobre.
Polish also this.
Polish. Spicy.
Spicy.
No
It is.
problem.
No problem, but tastes good.
It's good.
Good. Any snack in Poland? Similar, same snack Poland.
Do czego to porównać? Nie wiem. A? Paluszki. Very good. Very good.
So he like spicy. So he's saying I think he's okay with spice level also.
Yeah, Sachin also likes this, no?
Yeah, I also liked it very much. So in school, like 2001, 2002, I used to eat this, and it was very famous that time. So it's very tasty. So now we have eaten we have eaten two spicy things like kurkure and samosa. Now this thing is a third. So we know this Parle Ji very famous, India very famous biscuit. Everyone eaten this Parle Ji biscuit. So very famous in India. This Parle Ji. So we will try the Parle Ji now and let's see how he feels after having it.
Słodkie, bardzo dobre.
Mm-hmm.
Mleko.
Mleko? Mleko.
Very good.
Oh,
Yeah.
so in India, mleko, tea, is this. So he was saying that if we dip in the milk and it will be very good for him. So, yeah.
Please. No?
So now our friend have eaten kurkure, samosa and Parle Ji and he liked all of them. So now this is a time for Lay's. Poland also Lay's.
Please.
But this flavor, not Poland, America style cream onion. In India, this
Yes.
flavor, this is very tasty Indian flavor. So in Poland we get the Lay's but not this flavor. We have tomato, paprika, cheese.
Spicy? Spicy?
Not spicy. So it's neutral taste. So hopefully
No,
Yeah.
Oui, oui.
No problem. You? Yeah.
How's it? Very good. You like it?
Good. Good.
Good.
Good.
Poland, same,
Poland? No. No problem.
same taste. Anything, biscuit, chips, anything.
Dobre.
Good, man. So next we are trying Maska Chaska. So in Poland, I think less salty flavored biscuits. So this is something different for my friend because this is little salty, not spicy, salty. Yeah. So we will see how, and also like Indu also like this taste. And after marriage, I have started eating this much. Earlier I was not very much familiar with this. So we will see how my friend sees and reacts with it.
Start.
Cheese. So he's telling it feels like cheese.
Maślane takie.
It's
Please, Sabula. Sabula.
and maslo, right?
Maslo.
And maslo.
Maslo Sabula. But it feels, is correct. I think it feels like cheese.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's correct. So good.
Good.
Good. Good. So you.
To jest mlek, z mlekiem. Jest good. Very
This is So you like the.
To jest ser, cebula. Jest good, bardzo dobre.
So this is he liked more, and then after that he says Maska Chaska. So we are eating for him.
Ah, nice.
Okay. So now third thing we are going to try this little hearts. So biscuit. So Indian biscuit with some sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah, sugar. So we'll see.
Słodkie. Po polsku słodkie. Sugar to sugar angielskie, słodkie po polsku. Słodkie.
Okay.
तू समझा? हाँ नहीं तू समझा नहीं
Cukier.
So you can try. So now he tries that and see there is some sugar like
Sugar, yeah.
sugar is there. So you like it?
Jest good.
You like it? So any similar thing which you feel in Poland, heart shape?
Serce.
So he says his heart is yeah, heart. So its name is Little Heart, like so its name is Little Heart, so small heart. So it's so what do we call heart in Polish?
No.
No, heart Polish.
Mocny
Heart.
serce.
Sir. Oh, okay. So this is also like so first, second, third, like which is
To mleko.
like so he says this first is Parle-G, then our Little Heart, and then this is Maska Chaska. Okay. So now we have left gulab jamun for the end because it's very special in India, very special.
Dessert.
Very
Special.
Dessert.
in like festival, Diwali, and like Polish festival, we eat this gulab jamun. It's very sweet, spongy.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So you will, so you will feel like that. So now, but we will start because this is for the end. So we will eat this second last item. This is our bhujia. Bhujia we eat with tea. Tea.
Harbatta.
Harbatta. Harbatta and bhujia. Harbatta and bhujia. Harbatta, bhujia, coffee, bhujia. We eat. So we will open the bhujia now. So yeah, little spicy might be
Spicy?
a little,
No
but
problem. Inny smak. Ciekawe. Spicy.
spice more spicy. So no, like
Dobra.
good. So he liked this also, and so we are good.
He just tried that. He can have that. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's little different.
Good.
Yes.
So afternoon, like a snack, 16 snack. We eat this tea, coffee
Harbatta.
with this harbatta.
Aha, yes.
Mm.
Herbata to very good. Spike. Czuć teraz.
Oh, so it's sitting his throat.
बस हवा निकल गई
Spicy.
Oh, so you. Okay. Huh? No. So now he felt little spicy after eating bhujia. So he wants to have something to clear that out. And also I will also have some lemon for it with it. So in Poland, like 0.0% is very famous. So if you don't want to have alcohol but want to have some feeling or say some taste of that, so we drink this 0.0%.
दारू नहीं रे बाबा दवाई है
So it's very good. And also this is like we have different flavor. This is lemon and this is some berries, blackcurrant and lime. Yeah, so next thing we will try is our gulab jamun. So is that how's the taste? Huh?
Sugar.
Sugar more or okay sugar? Okay. So his sugar is normal, like it's not too much. And you eat something like this in Poland, like some flavor, same flavor?
No.
No, no flavor. So you can try one more and
W Polsce nie widziałem. W sklepie nie widziałem nigdy tego.
this you have seen?
No, w sklepie nawet nie widziałem. No, nie próbowałem, nigdy nie jadłem tego. Ja.
Okay. So I think
ये समस्या है रे क्या बोलने का
तू इसके साथ मत घूम रे
he is telling he have seen this but have not eaten. I think, but I'm not sure.
Słodziutkie,
Huh?
sugar, to jest bardzo dobre.
Oh, okay, he liked it. So he's telling his sugar and the taste is very good. So like I will also eat or one more.
No.
So normal our traditional style series.
क्या बात है सर क्या बात है सर क्या बात ये बात है
So in India we like eat like this, what you have eaten. So it's good. So he liked this as well.
Dobra.
Dobra. So now like rate 1, 2, 3, which is first, second, third.
Jest... Gdzie to było? O! Samosa.
Samosa first. Samosa got the first ranking.
Jest...
2.
Jest.
Okay.
Good.
And all good. Like
Yeah.
top first.
Najlepiej to...
And sweet. Sugar.
To jest dobre.
Oh, gulab jamun.
Very sugar, słodziutkie.
So it's very sugar and very soft.
Yes.
Soft, so he liked it. So I think that's all, guys. So our friend liked these snacks very much, and we'll continue making more videos with him, like similar to this concept or some other concept. And please comment in comment section like what else you want to make in Poland, like what kind of video you want to make. So we will collaborate with our friend and we will make more of these videos. Thank you very much and say bye bye.
बाय बाय
बाय बाय